Hello everyone. Today we are going to paint sunflower in a very easy way. If anyone can paint this. These are the real flowers I kept aside, and here I'm using silver black soft brush, a round brush, and size is 8, and colors are Gambush, new Gambush, which is from Daniel Smith brand, and another one is like lemon yellow by White Knight brand, and making some mixture. You can see in my paper I just make a oval shape to make a center for the sunflower, and I just use brush Bailey in a full brush stroke to give some narrow strokes, just like water drop, and in between that I use gambush yellow, and if you don't have gambush new gambush colors, then you can add a little bit of orange color in lemon, any kind of lemon color, to give little bit vibrant color. So I use new gambush color and give some depth to the flower. It feels like it is like a shadow kind of color, and it's up to you how you can paint your sunflower. I wait a little bit of 3 or 4 seconds to dry a base layer. Here I'm using 300 GSM paper, which is totally 100% cotton, so it has a capacity, full capacity to absorb water. And in the meanwhile it also dried very fastly, because it's humid weather at my place, so it dries very fastly. So here I'm using very small strokes to give some depth to the flower petals, and in between, in the middle, I will use some brown color. Just follow that process along with me, or you can watch this video fully and then start painting it. It is totally up to you. um, Here I'm using bright, little bit bright brown color. It is like a tone towards to red color, but this is the base color, and I am using little bit white space there to give some depth. Or after that I will add little bit of dark brown color. Both colors are from art philosophy, which is the brown color, because I do have only one brand with me for the brown color. If you don't have brown color, you can use gray color and add some red color. You will get very beautiful brown, dark brown color. Here I'm using the same brush at tip of the brush, and adding some dot by using dark brown color. It is basically, it come with all the 12 cake set, which is I purchased maybe 4 or 5 years back. Still it goes on. Whenever you want to buy any color, just think about it, how much you are using that brown or any gray color. Basically gray and brown I am not using much, but I don't know about other artists. So brown I'm still have like 5 years I'm using the same color. So here I'm using little bit of green color to give depth. Not a depth, but give feel like a little bit tinge of green in between of the center part of the sunflower. And you can see the beautifully it's blend light brown, dark brown, and green. Its green is also from art philosophy. Its name is greenish yellow. color. It gives little bit yellow tinge and a green tinge at the same time. And after that I'm using Daniel Smith, same brand, green color, that under ocean green color. That is a very dark green color. Here I am using parrot color by Art Philosophy and Daniel Smith colors to give a little bit shadow on the stem of the flower. And this time I'm saving just because I want to dry that green my flower petal. So it is up to you how you want to paint your flower. Just wait for the 5 minutes and go and get your tea. I usually do that, but for this I'm shooting a video, so I just want to save my time. So parallelly I'm doing leaves paintings and also petal painting. I use my 8 size brush in full of the artwork. A little bit I'll use some highlight using size 2 size brush, but oval shape, most probably oval shape. It's very versatile brush. You can use in a very different way. It is up to you how you practice by using this brush. This brush has USPs like it's a natural squirrel hair, and it hold a lot of water colors, you mean I mean say. um, and here I'm using little bit of shadow effect, and I'm adding dark green color here. So just give a try yourself, just relax. It's not like it should be perfect. It's a watercolor. The beauty of the watercolor is like it gives you real effect, but it comes with artistic way. I know very much artist who is very good in painting for the realistic flower by using watercolor, but I feel loose effect is the best effect for my painting style. Here I'm just follow my steps, or you if you want to add some other steps also you can add it. um, it is up to you. Just enjoy the process and give a try. And once you paint it, please share with me. And here I am going to paint one more time, and some highlighting my flower petals. Here you can see I just hold back for 2 or 3 minutes, and here I'm using number 2 size brush to give a dark effect of petals. And here I'm using new gambush with has a little bit of orange color. And if you don't want to mix those colors, then you can add one more range from Daniel Smith. It called I forgot that name, but you will find in my description box. um, I I I also use little bit of brown color also, because I feel it has to be like little bit brown color and give the variations of petals. So it blended very beautifully. And I don't know what exactly I mix up a little bit lighter brown color to the yellow, and it blend it very in a different color. So it is like a light brown, but it is not a brown color, and it is not totally up to yellow color. Yeah, okay. So here I'm keep adding little bit dark petal. You can see that I use first light color for the base layer, and then adding some little bit dark color, and then again little bit dark color, so you can see the effect of the shadow. So here is the point. When you practice 3 or 4 times, you will come to know that the the shadow effect. So if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and also you can visit my Instagram account. I will mention my account link in description box. um, every time I post any videos, you will get notification on your subscription bell icon. Whenever you get a time, you can watch those videos and try it and share it on social media and tag me along with that. I am really happy to see your creativity. This is just for the beginning friendly video. Anyone can paint this flower easily. I keep saying it because I feel it's very helpful for new beginner. Just grab pen, brush and paper and start paint. Here I'm adding some highlights by using brown color. In the mid, when you see sunflower, the most attractive part of the sunflower, it's a center part of the sunflower. It highlights a very beautifully spiky color. So I'm using this brush by Prince Princeton brand, and it gives like a fluffy look. And if you want to buy this brush, I will mention the link of this brush in my description box. And here is the same brush, size 2. I'm giving adding the veins because you see the sunflower leaves veins are very strong and very prominent. You can see, and you can see is from very from far away also. That's why I am highlighting those veins. Just I want to say here, observe things around you and try to paint like that. um, and every day try to practice for the 10 minutes to improve your skill. Everyone has a skill, but they don't know how to develop those skills and reach out the new style, and how to come to that point. When you try every day 10 minutes, variety of flowers or variety of brush strokes, you can make a schedule for yourself. Like if you have 2 or 3 round brush, but one is a very natural hair brush and one is a synthetic brush, the both strokes are different. Just practice those strokes and you will feel, you may see the difference between the both artificial hair and the natural hair strokes. So give 10 minutes to yourself. First practice your brush holding capacity and the strokes, and then explore the watercolors values and how you can use those colors. That's what I want to say. Here our flower is finished.